Hey everyone, welcome back to Sanikii Designs. Today, I'm excited to show you how I created this stunning wall mirror using just a few budget-friendly items. I started off with a 23cm round cardboard base. To give it that sleek, modern finish, I used mirror reflective paper from Amazon. The adhesive on this paper is super strong. I didn't even need any glue for this step. It stuck on perfectly. Your support keeps Sanikii Designs going, so like, comment, share, and stick around till the end of the video if you can. Every view counts. What's your favorite material to craft with? Cardboard, wood, or paper? Let me know in the comment. Have you ever used mirror reflective paper before? It's so satisfying to work with. Would you try it? Next, I glued a round mirror at the center. This not only acts as a focal point but also helped guide the rest of my design. If you like to support my channel, just watching the video, leaving a comment, sharing, and subscribing means the world to me. Now for the fun part, I used decorative stock card from Dollar Tree cut into strips measuring 1 by 8 centimeters. Which color combo would you go with? Blue and pink or something bold like red and gold? Then I gently curved each strip to create this beautiful flowing pattern that almost looks like petals or sun rays. Do you prefer symmetry or a more freestyle design? I always love hearing your creative takes. Using the mirror as a guide, I started gluing the curled strips around it in layers. I alternated the colors for a nice gradient effect and kept building outward. Layer by layer, I glued them around the mirror until it bloomed into this eye-catching piece you see here. If you made it this far, comment shiny and chic so I know you're a real one. Where would you hang a mirror like this? Entryway, bedroom, or maybe even the bathroom? And that's it for today's DIY, my friends. I hope this inspires you to get creative with simple materials and make something beautiful for your space. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this project. Subscribe to Sanikii Designs for more budget-friendly, elegant decor ideas. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep shining. Bye for now.